Hey everybody, I am just going to be showing you the foundation of the little flip out page that I want to make for my journal. So these measurements aren't really accurate. It will kind of just depend on your journal size and the sizes of the pages you're doing, but I'll try to give you a general idea. So this I took out because it's going to be the foundation. This is going to go into one of my signatures, but I just took it out so I can show you how this is going to work when I get it done. All right, so I had an 8.5 by 11 sheet of printed paper, and it's printed on both sides. So that's just a good tip when I'm going to adjust this camera a little. When I am printing my papers, I like to have a couple of two-sided. In fact, this time I did like 12 of this kit of the double-sided, just regular weight paper, not cardstock, nothing fancy. Just for this exact purpose, for making pages out of it or for doing these kinds of little flip outs. So here is my page in my junk journal. Now what I did is I've trimmed this to the same height. You can see that it's the same height as this paper. And then I folded it right around the 4-inch mark. So I just had my paper here, and then I folded it in about 4 inches. Okay, now that measurement is kind of up to you because I'll show you why. So what's going to happen is this is going to attach to here, and this I kind of folded down because I thought it would be cute just to have that little accent piece, but this is going to become a pocket. So I am going to just glue that, and I'll just do that right now because we can. And then it will stay still. So I'm only gluing it along the top, and I'm going to go along this bottom though because I can see that one better than the other one. And then on this side. And that's going to become a pocket. Get this in here. All right. So this is going right here, and that's going to become kind of how that little flip out page is going to attach to my journal page. Now this I'm going to glue down. I guess I can go ahead and just do that because really that piece there is just for decoration. I just wanted to have a fun little accent color, so that's why I did it that way. So it's coming right here. And now that becomes a pocket, and this attaches that entire piece to the journal page. Okay, so here's where we're at. Now we open this up, and this is going to be our flip out. So I'm not going to do anything else with that because that would be bad. Oh, I didn't get that all the way in. That's okay. That won't matter. Okay, so now for some fun embellishing. Now I'm going to keep this side as another flip out right here. So go ahead and fold yours wherever you want. You can fold this piece in however you want. You could even have it coming this way if you wanted. Make another pocket that way. Just kind of whatever you want. But for me, I'm leaving this because this is going to be another fold out. And I'm going to fold it backward on itself right now just so I don't put these pockets in the wrong place. But here's what I thought would be really fun is to get a couple of these labels from the collection. There we go. Then I'm thinking, and I thought it'd be really fun to make a stacked little bit like this to have a couple of pockets right here. But I wanted to make sure this one's not going to come over the top of my journal. So I'm going to give myself a little space, and then that's going to tell me where to place that one. So I need to be clear down right around here with this one. So let's start with gluing that one down. And remember, it's going to be a pocket, so I'm only going to be doing these 3 sides. In fact, I'm not even, well, I'll do it along there, that's okay. So I'm just going to go along these sides here and leave that top open, and then get my little measuring tag again to make sure that I come down far enough, because I don't want that tag sticking up and out. If I have the lace or the ribbon or whatever I decide to put on top sticking out, that's okay. but I don't want the rest of it. Now, that one's done. A little extra glue. All right. Okay, and now this one is same thing, and I'm going to be doing a little bit more substantial tag in this one because I have a little bit more space up here. So I'll show you that in a minute. But I'm going to go ahead and put this down. Here we go. Just like that. And that one can come all the way down. But I think that'll be a really cute effect with those tags. Oh, cute, cute. Okay, see, so for this one, this is awesome. This is just packaging that came from, I don't know, shoes or something, just that thick kind of brown packaging paper that you sometimes get. And I coffee dyed it, and so it's really stiff and kind of just substantial. I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and back this tag with that just because I wanted to do something a little bit different. And then I'm going to go ahead and embellish and cut out the top of it and add some fun lace and some different fun embellishments on it. But for now, that ought to hold it. I might even come back in and sew around that one before you see it next time. So I always like to add a little bit of sewing if I can because it just adds a special touch. So there's that. And I have this fun little thing that I know I wanted to add on there. So I'm going to just put that on right now. I don't have all the embellishments that I want to do all ready to go, but I have some of them. So that's just going to go right here. All right. Now, I'm going to come back in and embellish these tags a little later, but I wanted to give you kind of an idea of how that's going to come together. And then I have this fun little label, but I think I'm going to put some lace and stuff under that, so I'm not going to put that on yet. I haven't decided. It's kind of fun to overlap them. So I'm going to play around with that one a little more. But I wanted to kind of give you the basic foundation of how this flappy, how this page is going to work. And then we'll come back in on another video and just add some extra embellishments. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, because this is going to be flipping over on this one. So it'll be like this, but I still have to embellish this, and I still have to embellish this, and I still have to do something with this. So this is where our cute little hearts are going to come in. It's going to be kind of like the handle to open that little flap. So I'm going to get 2 hearts and back them up back to back, and they're going to be the little flap for that. So I'm super excited to add that in. I think it'll be really cute and just fun. So anyway, that's the foundation of how you're going to attach that main pocket page to your actual journal page. So anyway, I guess stay tuned for the next one, and I will do a little bit more embellishing and show you how we're going to embellish some of these other fun little areas that we have. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.